Now we will see all the key terms that we will be using in Amazon advertising, while understanding all the things that will be there in the Amazon campaigns and PPC structure. So the first thing that we will be understanding about is, the first thing is impressions. So what the impressions means? So it is the number of times your ads is shown to the customer or shopper whenever he or she is typing your keyword. Number of times your ads will be shown there is the impressions. So it's like 10,000 times if it will be shown that the impressions are 10,000. The second thing is clicks. So what the clicks is, it is a number of times the user directly clicked on your ad. Number of times your ads is shown is the impressions, and the number of times your any user or shopper clicked on your ad is the number of clicks. So if 10,000 times your ads is shown, for example the impression is 10,000, and 500 times your ad will be clicks, so number of clicks will be 500. The third thing is CTR. So the third thing that we will have to focus, and that is of most importance, is click through rate. So what the click through rate is, it's the percentage of impressions that turns into click. So like how we what's the formula for CTR? The formula for CTR is clicks divided by impression. So number of clicks, for example, is 500 and the impressions are 10,000. Then the CTR will be 500 divided by 10,000. So here in this example, if the impressions are 1,000 and the clicks is 50, so the CTR, that is click through rate, is 50 divided by 1,000, that is 5%. That is the that will be come in percentage. So 5% CTR is for this the for the product or for any keyword that we will be calculating for. CTR is the percentage of impressions that turns into clicks. Now the fourth thing is CPC. What the CPC is, it is the cost per click. So the CPC is the cost for each click on your ad. So the what it actually is, it is the amount you pay each time when someone clicks on your ad. This is what we call the CPC. CPC is cost per click. So here the 0.50 per click. So per click we are giving $0.50 or 0.5 paise if it is in rupees. So this is the cost per click for any campaign or any keyword targeting. So the next term is ACOS, that is advertising cost of sales. Now what that means is, it is like it generally measures how much you spend on ads to generate sale. Like how much you spend on ads and how much ad sales you have generated. So for example, if you have spent $20 or 20 rupees in any ad and you have generated $100 sales. So what will be the ACOS? It will be 20%. So what's the formula for the ACOS? It is actually the advertising spend divided by advertising sales. Only advertising spend and sales will become under ACOS. We don't have to take the overall sales, whole sales, organic sales also. We just have to take the advertising sales and advertising spend only. So it's the most important, one of the most important metrics, ACOS, that we generally helps to measure the performance of our campaigns. So lower the ACOS means more profitable campaigns. So the next, and one of the most important metrics is TACOs. So it is like total advertising cost of sales. So now what's the formula of tacos? They have not added it here, but let me tell you separately that what the tacos is. So first of all, the formula for the tacos is total ad spend divided by total sales, including the organic sales also, into 100, multiply by 100. So it's the total ad spend divided by total sales, the ad sales as well as organic sales. Now what it measures, what it actually means, it measures your ad spend relative to your overall sale, not just the sale generated by ads, but the overall sales, organic also. Now, why it is important? Why it is most important actually? So, now ACOS only looks at the sales directly from ads, right? While TACOS consider your total sales, including your organic, that is non-ad sales, as well as ad sales. This helps you to understand the true impact of advertising on your business. So lower tacos over time usually indicate that the ads are helping boost organic sales efficiently. Now let me give you an example. So for example, you spend 1,000 rupees on your ads this month. Okay. So now total ads will be total sales will be ad sales plus organic sale, and let's say that it is 10,000 rupees. So what will be your tacos? Your tacos will be 1,000 rupees that you have spent on your ads divided by 10,000, that is your total sales. It multiply by 100, that is 10%. So now a lower tacos means your advertising is effective during growth without overspending. That's why tacos is also one of the most important metrics while understanding the Amazon PPC. And the last key term is ROAS. So ROAS is returns on ad spend. So what that means is, so ROAS measures how much revenue you earn every 1 rupees spent on your advertising. So what's the formula for the ROAS is revenue from ads divided by ad spend. So for example, if your ad spend is 1,000 rupees, let's say, and the revenue generated from the ads is 5,000 rupees. So what will be the ROAS? The ROAS will be 5,000 divided by 1,000. That is equals to 4. I'm giving you my personal example. So ROAS will be 5. So what that means is for every 1 rupees spent, you earn 5 rupees. This is ROAS. So now why is the ROAS important? It generally shows the profitability of your ad campaign. So higher ROAS means more effective ads. It generally helps in deciding which campaign to scale and which campaign to pause. So yes, ROAS focuses only on the sales generated by ads, like unlike tacos, which include the total sales, that is organic plus ad driven. So you might be a little confused about the difference between ACOS and ROAS. So let me tell you once again. So ACOS is basically the percentage of ad spend compared to the sales. So the ACOS is the goal of the ACOS is like it should be lower as much as possible. So lower is better for ACOS, and the ROAS is the revenue earned per 1 rupees spent. So the ROAS is like higher the ROAS, the better it is. So for ACOS, it should be lower and the ROAS should be higher. So by now you must have got the idea about what basically and actually the Amazon ads is, what's the foundation of Amazon ads, how the Amazon ads actually works, and what are the key terms that we will be using while learning the Amazon ads, and that you should be aware of while learning and working for Amazon ads.